How do Superfood Tabs work? Learn about the benefits. If you want to curb your cravings, reduce your bloating, burn calories, or boost energy, you need to try Superfood Tabs. Superfood Tabs are a plant-based superfood tablet used by over 400,000 people to achieve their health and wellness goals. Each dissolvable tablet is packed with 15 plant-based, 100% all-natural superfoods that have incredible impact on the body. Let's break down the benefits. Curb cravings. Superfoods like goji berry, milk thistle, green tea, and matcha help you resist snacking and curb cravings. You'll start to notice changes internally and externally as you satisfy your cravings with Superfood Tabs instead of unhealthy foods and drinks. Reduce bloating and improve gut health. Superfoods like beetroot, wheatgrass, and lemon balm help ignite a healthy digestive system, reduce bloating, and improve your overall gut health. Burn calories. Superfoods like milk thistle, goji berry, and ginger help reduce inflammation, improve insulin resistance, promote fat loss, and boost metabolism so you can lose weight naturally. Boost energy. Superfood Tabs also give you calm, steady energy from green tea and matcha. These superfoods contain L-theanine, which gives you energy without jitters or a crash later. Bonus, boost immune system. Superfood Tabs also help boost your immune system because they are packed with antioxidants from superfoods like elderberry. There are so many incredible benefits from drinking Superfood Tabs. If you need a remedy for any of these issues, Superfood Tabs are for you. You can learn more about all 15 superfoods and their benefits in the video linked here. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informational content and real customer reviews.